Hi everyone, my name is Pierce, local pharmacist here at WellCare. I want to talk about a really important subject that I work with a lot. It's about compounded medications, particularly for those who are suffering from pain. We get a lot of patients that are suffering from both muscle and nerve pain, and they do take quite a bit of medications to help them get that relief. There is always a certain point where they have so many medications in their profile. Sometimes they're just not able to live a full life. And for us as a pharmacist, and even as just a caretaker, someone who works in health, pretty much on the health side, you're always asking yourself, for this patient, what is their quality of life? And if their quality of life just isn't to their standard, what else can we do? So a lot of pain medications do have quite a few side effects. One of the common ones is drowsiness. And for many of those, maybe want to travel or just want to be able to be with their family and friends without having to feel like they're down or they just don't have the type of energy that they would like. There are alternatives, and one of the alternatives that we can offer are compounded topical pain medications. Now you ask yourself, how is this the way to go? Most compounded medications are localized, meaning that the effect is where exactly what you want it to be. If you take something oral, the effect can have multiple effects that maybe you don't want, but you still will get. At least with topical, you have that. You can at least localize it to where it needs to be. And a lot of times too, if you do want to you still need that medication for your pain, but you want to add something else to help you treat maybe something else like nerve pain or neuropathy if you're diabetic. It's a pretty common thing to have. Sometimes topical is really the best way to go without having to add another medication to your list or without having to increase the dose that you feel you're comfortable taking right now. So a lot of compounded medications are available to you. It's always best just to ask and always check compounding pharmacy like ours here at WellCare to see whether or not that might be a viable option for you. We're always here to help you out and figure out what works best for you. There are quite a lot of options, so there's always a way in which we can figure out both for the insurance side and really what's your doctor's comfortable with taking. So